80% of adult dogs and 96% of senior dogs. Bet you didn't know that.
Did not.
I definitely didn't. Now, with February being Pet Dental Health Month, it is the perfect opportunity to talk about dental hygiene for our furry friends.
So here to discuss is veterinarian for Whimsies by Wellness, Dr. Danielle Bernal. Doctor, good morning. How you doing?
Good morning. Great. Thank you.
Yeah.
Doctor, thank you so much for being with us. Doctor, okay, so what signs should people be aware of when it comes to periodontal disease in their dogs?
Well, you may not be looking too often at your dog's teeth, but that's exactly what pet parents need to do to determine if their dog's got dental disease. So lift up their lip. If you can see some yellowy brown discoloration, it's probably early stage dental disease. If they've got quite the buildup on those back teeth, that's quite an advanced stage. And you want to make sure, do they have red gums as well? If they've got those, it's definitely time to get to the veterinarian and get their teeth checked. But the best tell that I always encourage pet parents to check for is that doggy breath. You know, we think dogs have that smelly breath, but actually it's a sign of dental disease. So if any of those sound like your dog, you've mentioned it before, it's the perfect time now to start looking after their teeth.
Especially that breath in my face, I could tell right away. Hey, doctor, what about a healthy routine? Is there stuff that we can kind of do with our pets on a regular basis to keep up with it?
Absolutely. We always recommend parents go take their dog to the veterinarian, their dentist, once a year. But just like you or I, we make sure we do something at home every single day. And that's the exact same that we need to do for dogs. Now, the gold standard is to bring out that toothbrush and try and brush their teeth with a doggy toothpaste. But for many pet parents, that's something that they're just not going to do. And in fact, only 2% of pet parents do that. The next best option is to actually give your dog a daily dental treat. Now, these are fantastic because we all love to treat our dog. And while they chew these dental treats, it actually works like its own toothbrush and cleans their teeth with every bite. So that one's much easier and something you can do every single day.
And really, lastly, doctor, can you tell us why it's so important? Can tooth decay in dogs lead to other ailments or even diseases?
Absolutely. It's not just about discolored teeth. It's about that bacteria and that plaque getting under their gum line. That can lead to tooth pain, tooth loss. We all know how uncomfortable that is. But most concerningly is that bacteria from their mouth can then enter their bloodstream and cause systemic health problems, which can be quite serious. So it is one of those things where just by adding in a daily treat every single day, they can clean their teeth and you can avoid those horrible consequences. So it's really key to keeping them healthy for their whole lifetime.
Great advice and important information. Dr. Danielle Bernal, veterinarian for Whimsies. We appreciate your time today.